Change your state using your voice, PNGTubeRemix edition. If you haven't checked out the video about what this app is about, you can check it out here, but here's a tutorial on how to set it up for PNGTubeRemix. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to set up the SpeechStatePNG for using the PNGTubeRemix. So what you want to do first is open up PNGTubeRemix, and what you want to have is you want to have different states already set up. So I have this particular one for normal, this one for shocked, and then this one for my custom one where it just says mate. So just set that up. In case you want to rename it, you can click this remap button and then change it, and then just press enter to save it, and that's it. So next, what you want to do here is you want to go to this tab called WebSockets. You might need to press the arrows on some of them. Just make sure that you have the latest version, or at least a version that has WebSockets in it. So click on the WebSocket, and what you want to do next is click on this auto start. What that's going to do is whenever you open up the program, it's automatically going to open up a WebSocket connection for you to connect with your SpeechStatePNG. So the next thing is grab this number. You can always change it on whatever number you want to set to. This is going to be a port number, so just copy paste this, paste it over here, and yeah, just make sure initially it's probably on stop. Just start it so that way you can connect to it. If it's not started, then it's the application is not going to connect to the PNGTubeRemix. Next thing, what you want to do in SpeechStatePNG is click on what application you want to do. So pick on PNGTubeRemix and click on connect. What's going to happen is that it's going to take a few seconds for it to connect, and it's going to say, okay, app connected. And the next thing what you do is go on PNGTubeRemix section, and in here it should automatically populate the state name that you already have over here. So normal, shocked, mate. So just set up your normal setup. So for this one, normal, I'll set up normal. Surprise, I'll do shocked, and for mate, I'll just type in mate here and then select the state called mate. And you can save your slot here. Just confirm that you want to save, and next time you load up or connect to it, the PNGTubeRemix is already set up and loaded in. You don't need to. And the next thing is just start the session. So what's gonna do is gonna give you a transcript of what you're trying to say as you're saying it. So if I wanna just trigger surprise, I'll just say, "Hey yo, what's up?" or something like that. Something surprising, a keyword to say it's surprising, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then if I want to say mate, then I'll just say mate, and hopefully that'll trigger it. So you can see that working. So pretty awesome stuff. The more states that you have, the more dynamic it will be. And at the end, just end the session. So yeah, that's it for the PNGTubeRemix. Hope you have fun. If you have any bugs, just post it on itch.io for me to look into. But yeah, hope you have fun. Laters.